it do, gang, man. Hey, brakes real bad right now. Brakes real bad right now, man. They sound so nasty. They kind of get to shaking and grinding, all type of stuff right now. So, finna head up to the Flips Auto over here in Hammond, right here on Kennedy, or East Chicago. I don't know which Hammond, East Chicago or shit. Probably the borderline. Who knows? But right around there, and I'm hoping it's just the brake pads, cause brake pads don't cost too much. But riding on bad brake pads for an extended period of time will damage your rotors, and rotors they look expensive. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, let me give you some food. But yeah, like I was saying, brake pads ain't too much money. You know, that's simple. But when we talking about rotors are more than brake pads, period. But these rotors is high performance rotors. They big as hell and they slotted. And the purpose of a slotted rotor is to keep them clean. Like, you know, if a rock or something was to get caught in between the rotor and the actual brake pad, by it being slotted, the rock would fall into the little slot and, you know, eventually be gone. You know, that's what the purpose of slotted is. Now, when I do have to actually change the rotors, or I might just change them just cause I'm gonna go drilled and slotted. Now, drilled and slotted is better. The purpose of them being drilled is to dissipate heat, so they cool a lot quicker, which is a good thing for this car. So I'm at McDonald's now, but I'm about to head up there and get these brake pads changed, and hopefully it's just the brake pads. Flips Auto Clinic, y'all. My daddy and my family, we've been messing with them for years. It's the only one my dad really trusts to touch his shit. Appreciate it.
Man, the interior's got like that?
No, but the red shit I put in there myself.
Who stitched it for you?
Huh?
Who stitched it? Like,
I bought it like that.
Dang.
Yep. And look at the old brake pads. Done. It gave it a little flavor on the inside. You know, the interior all black. They had to give it a little. Yeah, man. So I had to get these. Look at this shit here. No good. Look how it's supposed to look.
See this part right here? That's not good. When they're cracking like that, that's not good. It's completely gone. See the line?
Yeah. It's a lot of horsepower. We gotta be able to stop this mug.
What is it, 746?
Huh?
How many? 746?
707.
I know what this stuff is about this. It's factory too, man. Nobody can get into that. Huh?
You see the cooling? It's supposed to cool the brakes right there.
Oh, is it intercooler?
Yeah. I know I need an oil change too. I probably don't got time.
You gotta use it right.
Yeah.
Don't use it. You gotta use first.
Yeah. Flips Auto. Always slide to Flips, man. Flips gonna get you together. Right here on Kennedy. So the rotor's still good?
Yeah, I gotta look at the other side, but it's high performance though. It's not a regular rotor. Yeah, it's high performance. You have to see this picture right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's high performance. Yeah, that'll keep it in place. If you hit the brakes, it will snap. Yeah, that's why they put a picture on.
That's the old one? These mugs was done. See how much scraping been going on the hill? Not too much. Thinking about cutting the resonators off. I'll probably change these tips. I think these is 3-inch tips, maybe. Yeah, I think them 3 inches. I think I want to go to 4, and I might end up cutting the resonators off. So he's gonna be loud. This right here is why Hellcats don't get fog lamps. All this is functional. Right here, where a fog lamp would be, it's functional. Sucks in air, cools brakes, cool the brakes and stuff, you know. This side here look like it. Man, messed up my rotors. I don't know, I hope not, man. Them some big ass rotors. I hope I don't gotta change them out. Not right now. Not gonna be cheap. Damn, that mug big. I got some big ass hands. See how much meat I got left. Oh, not too much. I got to slow it down. Missing the rivet right here, huh?
Yeah. Like it's not rivet. Yeah, it's different than this. It's different. You see the difference?
Yeah. Nice big boy truck. Look good. One side down. Let's see what's the damage on the other side. Let's see the damage.
Very static.
He said I caught it right in time, guys. Any more riding? Any more riding? I probably would have needed new rotors. You can just look at them rotors and tell they ain't gonna be cheap. Can't never catch a break, guys. Like, I just got an oil change not too long ago. Like, look. I don't know if y'all can see that. Next oil change is supposed to be in December or at 11,000 and some miles. I'm at 9,408 miles. And it's August. And I need an oil change again. God damn, I gotta start driving something else. I need to get my other car out the shop. Here's what the old ones look like. These the original pads on here. Brimbos. So my car 18, right? So that means these been on here since 2018. Yeah. Damn, look at this one. I bet this the one that was making all that damn noise. Ooh, shit. Yeah, this right here tear the rotor up. This ain't got nothing on it. That was metal on metal. But that's it for this video. Next, I need an oil change, and I might be changing the back. Probably won't record it, but next video, I'm gonna have that review up for y'all, and next we just gonna continue to, you know, keep grinding, working, and I might head up there to the shop and see what's the word on my old school. So, till next time.